What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. First thing first guys, Happy New Year 2019 to all you guys out there. Hope you guys have a blessed 2019. Hope all your goals, your dreams become reality this year. Now I have dreams, I have goals to make this channel better. Now only way I can make this channel better with all you guys support. So if you guys are watching me for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn the bell notification on. Now guys, today we have a product from WRZ. Now they were nice enough to send one of their product in, and basically what happened was they sent this product and they didn't even ask me to make this video. They didn't even ask me to make a review video. All they told me, Sunny, just look at our product and see what you think, you know. And basically they were telling me if you like it, if you feel like make a video. They didn't really care. So I used this product for like maybe 4 days. First thing I was like, you know what, cheap headphone, $19.99. And then when I started using this earbuds for like almost 4 days, you know, I was using these earbuds while I was going to work, on the bus, train. These are really good for $19.99. I don't do any type of unboxing or any type of review in this channel showing you guys if I didn't like something or if I don't know if this product is good. Okay, I'm not gonna leave you guys my Amazon affiliate link just so you can buy this and I can make like a 20 cent out of you. No, okay, I tested these are really quality for $19.99. I think the regular price for these was around $32.99 and right now going for $19.99. Now real quick, let me unbox and show you guys. These are Bluetooth earbuds and these are really good. Oops. Okay, now first thing, after you open the box, obviously I dropped the user guide. Make sure you keep the user guides because if you don't know how to use these, you need the user guide. All right, and there's a box. All right, so you guys can see the second box, and let's just see what's inside the second box. And we have a pouch, okay, with the WRZ engrave. All right, now mind you, I never used any of their product. Okay, I didn't even know this brand. All right, so first thing, they gave me option to pick from, like the color. They gave me I think 5 color to pick from. So they had red, blue, white, black, and I don't know if they had yellow. So I picked the red one because I never had like red earbuds. So I was like, you know, red is kind of my favorite. Red and white kind of my favorite. So, you know, I told them, you know what, just send me the red ones. And like I said, these are already used because I've been using for 4 days already. The main thing I like about these earbuds, the sound quality. Sound quality out of these are really crisp, and also the bass is really good. Like I can literally compare the bass and the sound quality my Audio-Technica M30X. Okay, this sounds really good for $19.99. okay, if you like music, these are the best. You can also use these for like making phone calls. So you can see here, here's the battery, and also you can charge the battery with the micro USB. Yes, they did include the micro USB cable. So you can see here micro USB cable. You can charge this earbuds with your laptop or desktop. And also you have volume control here, volume up and down, and the power button. If you press and hold, the earbuds will power off. If you press and hold again, earbuds will power on. And also easily you can pair this with your smartphone. Just leave the Bluetooth on and then just pair with your iPhone or Android phone. They do also come with extra ear cups, so you can put those on. I'm using the smallest one because my ears are really tiny, really tiny, so I'm using the smallest one. And let me just wear this and show you guys so you guys can see the fitment. All right, So let me just wear this and show you guys. Just put this in my ear. All right, you guys can see. And really easy to pair this with phone. So what I basically have to do, just press and hold. I have to see. So what I have to do, basically press and hold. Okay. Once the light turn on and like those earbuds, like, you know, you will hear a voice saying like power on. And then all you have to do, just go to your phone, Bluetooth, and now it's connecting. Funny how like the earbuds is telling me everything: powering, connecting, pairing, powering, connecting. Okay, let me just go to the settings, Bluetooth settings real quick. And then we go to, and you can see right here. Okay. And let's play something. Post Malone. Now you guys can't hear because then I will get the copyright strike, so sorry. Oh man, Post Malone, he's the man. Now guys, so real quick, I want to make this video and share with you guys these budget earbuds. These are really good. You guys can see these are really quality for $19.99. You can't go wrong with this earbud. Now, if you guys have any other question, leave in the comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want link for this, I'll leave Amazon link in the video description. And that should be it, guys. See you guys next one. And stay tuned for 2019. We'll have a lot more content. If you guys want like a detailed review, let me know. I was just making this video because they didn't even really ask me to go all detail and stuff. So that should be it, guys. See you guys next one. Peace. I'm out.